Welcome to Faris Academy's Python programming series. In this journey, you'll go from absolute beginner to confident Python programmer. Each episode focuses on one essential topic, packed with real examples and practical insights. Whether you're learning for school, career, or just curiosity, you're in the right place. Python Fundamentals. Getting started. Welcome to Faris Academy. In this module, we will explore Python fundamentals and get you started on your programming journey. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted language known for its readability and simplicity. It's used in web development, data science, automation, and more. Installing Python and IDEs. To begin coding, download Python from python.org. Choose an IDE like VS Code, PyCharm, or Thonny. Once installed, verify by running Python --version in the terminal. Your first Python program. Let's write your first Python script. Type print hello Faris Academy and run it in your IDE or terminal. This prints a message to the screen. Variables and data types. Variables store data like numbers or text. For example, x equals 5 or name equals Faris. Python supports types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Working with input. You can ask the user for input using input. For example, name, chun input. Enter your name. Then print it. Print. Welcome. Name. Mini practice task. Try this challenge. Ask the user for their name and age, then display a personalized message using print. It combines input, variables, and output. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Faris Academy and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.